we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of SHYMERY Halloween Lantern, 14-inch Halloween decorations for home, vintage Halloween decor lantern with timer, that's include. Auto timer, turn the light to on, and timer function works. 6 hours on and 18 hours off, cycling every 24 hours, solving the trouble of turning on and off the lantern every day. Long lasting, the candle lantern has 15 days of lighting time, timer mode, twice as long as similar products, saving the trouble of frequent battery replacement. 2 AA batteries needed, not included. Realistic candle light, candle lights simulate the flickering of real candles. The flicker is the icing on the cake and adds to the spooky atmosphere of Halloween. Perfect Halloween decoration, the LED lantern is designed with 3D hollow engraving to make the pattern more vivid, which is very suitable for the theme party of Halloween. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.